Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is affiliated companies. Now, there's legal affiliations, there's accounting affiliations. I'm going to cover a simple strategy regarding affiliation, and that is you have a parent company, it owns 50% as a subsidiary. That's an affiliated company. You have a parent company, it owns two different companies, 50% of this company, 50% of that company. These two bottom companies that are affiliated with this parent company, they can be indirectly affiliated or a third-party affiliation. You can be the owner of one company and own 6 other companies, and all those companies can be indirectly affiliated because you're the common owner. Let's say a company's going to announce a contract. It's important for them to disclose whether they're affiliated with that company or not, whether they have ownership, whether the parent company is receiving a contract from the subsidiary, or whether the subsidiary has a contract for some other affiliated company. Affiliated companies, this term is important to understand when you're doing business with one company, what other businesses those affiliated companies can be in. I'll give you a real world example of this, and that is you can invest in one company that, say, is in the manufacturing of cars, and they could have an affiliate that makes tobacco. Some people don't want to be associated with tobacco, so they pay close attention to affiliations. Today's word is affiliated companies. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.